I am Migar Uke. I am a life coach. Today's topic is Know Your God. Let's see the contents of the topic. First one, birth of God on earth. Second, effects of blind faith in God. Third, where to find God. Fourth, how to deal with God. Fifth, God and demons explained in detail. Sixth, some facts related to God. Let's begin with the first point, that is birth of God on earth. During ancient times, natural incidences were incomprehensible to human mind. Brain was not able to analyze things and understand incidents like weather, fire, earthquake, etc. Also, origin of life, different physical and mental diseases, sicknesses, and how to treat them, causes of sudden death, etc. All these were unknown to them. These things were incomprehensible, enigmatic, and inexplicable to them. Hence, they called them supernatural and godly. In this way, world has different god according to different geographical locations, and they named it accordingly. If incidents were in favor of humans, they called it kindness or love of God. If incidents affect adversely, they called it anger or wrath of God. The reason behind naming and framing God was lack of true knowledge, underdeveloped brain, fear, inability to understand facts, and real reason behind every condition or incidents. Centuries after centuries, this belief in God becomes stronger and stronger. Many different humans create different imaginary gods by writing epics, stories, drama, books, etc. But in that, they put some true knowledge to live life happily, and that influence many other humans. All other humans believe in everything they written, as there is some true life lessons and knowledge. This results into firm belief in God, and their mind were blindly occupied with respect, love, devotion, and fear for God. It continued generation after generations, and belief gets stronger and stronger. Different gods created by various humans, which results in creation of different religions, traditions, rituals, customs, etc. For some humans, love and respect for their religion automatically creates hate and disrespect for another religion, which results in crusade and violence. The root of all this is lack of true knowledge, irrational thinking, believing others blindly without using our own brain power. Second point, effects of blind faith. Almost every problem in this world is because wrong belief about God. Belief in God and belief in God is everything. He is responsible for every good or bad thing. This belief making most humans suffer most of the time in their lifetime. Instead of believing in God, believe in yourself. God doesn't need food, money, flowers, and other materialistic things. Humans need them. Some needs for survival and few needs them for ego satisfaction or to impress others. All these things should be given to needy human. Even if God exists, then he also wanted all humans should serve and help each other and spread kindness, compassion, non-violence to the world. Even now, In 21st century, under the name of God, thousands of humans dying every now and then. Millions are suffering physically and mentally on regular basis. Most of us are blindly following gods and their prime worship leaders without using our own rational thinking ability. Many peoples connect every little good or bad incidents or coincidence with God. They think success requires hard work and God's blessing. Mind and body of those people have completely become slave of God and godly things. If anyone speak anything against God, they will hate them, abandon them from group or society, may punish or kill them. Due to fear of God, habit of believing God from childhood, their brain rejects anything against their God. Believing in God results in wasting of time in doing unnecessary and useless things under the name of customs, rituals, praying, and asking God for help for the problems. Third point, where to find God. If you believe yourself, then you will get whatever you want by hard work, dedication, focus, and consistency, not by praying to God. Find God inside your mind, not outside in the world. All sorrows, sufferings will be minimized if everyone starts believing themselves and they are responsible for their actions. Rich person should help poor by donation. Don't give money to God. Give food to hungry person, not to idol of God. If we all do it, then the world become a better place to live. Human with rational, fearless mind, with strong and free will, can understand this topic. Others should set their mind free from fear, domination, and captivity of God. Let your and others' minds develop freely with maximum use of time in human development. Fourth point, how to deal with God. You should find root of each tradition and customs. Ask yourself, why are you doing them? Ask others the same question. They might give you some irrational answer. Ask them for rational one. Use your own brain power to evaluate the answer. And then again ask yourself, is it really necessary to do this? If not, then stop doing it and do some other useful work. Fifth point, God and demons explain in detail. Some people think God protect them from bad things, incidents created by demons. Demon is a source and creator of bad things. Fact is, all fortune and misfortune is depends on our own thoughts and action. God and demon live inside our head, not in the outside world. They live side by side in the brain. Belief in one results in belief in another. If you don't believe one, then mind automatically loses belief in another. Earlier, people do everything to protect them from bad things. They ask God for help and they do everything to please God. But bad things continues to happen. However, the mind at that time is unable to doubt the existence of God, as I explained earlier. Hence, some humans created one more imaginary thing and name it demon. If praying and pleasing God does not work and bad things continues to happen, then it's due to the interaction of devil or deviling things. Earlier, if anyone is affected by mental disease, people call that person devil. They don't know cure of that disease, so they punish him or abandon, sometimes kill him. Unknown diseases which are not cured by praising or sacrificing in front of God, then it's because of some devils. Any misfortune, disaster, bad incidents is claimed to be done by devils or demons. Fact is, no one has ever seen any god or demon in their lifetime. If anyone claims to see them, then there are following possibilities. First, the person is hallucinating or has some kind of mental disease. Second, he is lying to drag importance and attention of others and wants others to believe in God. Third, he has some selfish motive for himself or for his race, his peoples, his family, etc. Sixth point, some facts related to God. No God can protect you. Only other humans can protect themselves and others. Humans do bad and evil acts, not demons. Accidents do happen, coincidences do happen, but don't relate them or connect them with God or demon. Instead of praying and waiting for God, use natural resources, chemicals, knowledge, effort to protect and save yourself and others in difficulties. Humans created good and bad things in the world. He is responsible for fortune and misfortune. He created God and demon. Only he has power to solve problem created by him. Nature, with gradual evolution over the time, created us, and only natural phenomenon can destroy us. Therefore, we have to protect ourselves from natural disaster. We have to stop doing things which are harmful to nature as well as to other humans and animals. Protect our nature, natural resources, environment and earth. I request everyone to get out of all those imaginary things and beliefs made by our ancestors. Our brain is far more developed now. Use experience of our ancestor for equality, fraternity, freedom and development of human species. Use your brain in rational way to develop yourself and your mind. We all have limited time to spend our life. Use every bit of lifetime for true knowledge, skill and development of humanity and human mind. If you have any doubt related to this topic, you can WhatsApp me on 9970 or you can call me on 7972 896592. Thank you for your time and consideration.